I've been an avid runner since I was 15. I mean, like literally every day. And and what happened is I had tore my meniscus probably in the New York City Marathon last fall, and my knee swelled up. I was in awful pain, and it just never subsided. I looked into Dr. Pearl, and I was impressed with everything. You know, speaking with her and her staff, and I was really impressed with more looking into regenerative, medicine, because what all the surgeons are telling me is you take it out, and I've talked to people that had that meniscus operated on, and they had knee replacements. I met a gentleman that had 2 knee replacements. He had torn his meniscus when he played college hockey, and now, like me, he's 54 years old. He's on his 2nd knee replacement, and he was in awful pain. He regretted it, wish he never had the surgery to begin with, and I mean, it just scared me. I want to let the healing, process play itself out, but I believe I can hopefully get back to running. And what would mean more than anything to me would be to add to my medals of marathons that I've done over the years. That's, when I got injured, I was going to take everything down. I used that wall for inspiration. And after talking to Dr. Pearl, I said, I'm going to leave this up, and I'm going to get back out there, and I'm going to add to that collection. So her staff was amazing. They were very polite. They made me feel so comfortable, and I really enjoyed meeting with Dr. Pearl and everything. And like I asked her the other day, if all goes well and I'm able to resume running again, which I don't see why not, I'm probably looking into having a PRP injection maybe once a year, because I normally run 40 to 50 miles a week, and I've been doing this since I was a teenager. But not that I need PRP once a year. It's just right now everything is just I couldn't be happier, and it's quite a difference from the alternative of having 2 prominent Boston surgeons. And one of them was involved with, major sports team in Boston. It's just a week ago today, I had my last PRP. So it's been like 3 months. So according to the physical therapist, and according to, Dr. Pearl, it was suggested, to wait after the last injection, maybe 7 to 8 weeks, and then start, gradually building up the running.